This is great. Just the three of us. You, me, and this brick wall you built between us.
Don't forget, he called ye yellow.
Or Plankton of the Chum Bucket. Don't forget, he called you pink.
Spare change? Spare change, ma'am?
Boy, I can't wait to see the look on Sandy's face. Sandy, I'm back. Wow. Bikini Bottom sure looks different. Uh-oh.
Spongebob, we aliens would like a word with you.
Is it spring yet?
No.
I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
I'm so cold that I can use my nose drippings as a pair of chopsticks.
I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
Well, Doodle, it looks like this is a draw. Keep going. You're good. You're good. You're good. And stop. Don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out those scratches.
Hey, pal. You just blowing from Stupid Town?
Keep trying, Patrick. Patrick! No! Patrick, no! Why did you put it? Ah! Grab it, Pat! Grab it! Hurry! Hurry! No, Pat! No, no! Get it, Pat! Get it! 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 No! What are you gonna do to us?
Okay, follow me. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime.
I'll evacuate the customers. You call the Navy.
Hello, operator? Get me the Navy!
Hello. You've reached the Navy's automated phone service.
Squidward! The robots are running the Navy!
Not the Navy! Attention, everyone. Run for your lives. Robots have taken over the world.